Hi guys, welcome to day 37. I hope you're having a great day. Let's go ahead and go over what we're doing today. So the first thing, our journal and our Flipgrid today is about what place do you think is the best to visit. Our analyze sound today is the all sound. And if you click there, it's going to have a typing game for you. So let's take a look at it real quick. It's hard to be patient sometimes. Some of these games take a little while to load. I hope they're loading up fast at your house. So they want us to type as fast as we can. They give us the word. The word is small. So then you just type the word. And then you keep going and seeing what you can get for your words. The next job today, we're still working on that long U sound like tube and mule. There's a starfall activity today that has to do with that U sound. So you're going to make some different words. You just press that play button. Next, we have a graphing activity because we're starting graphing today. And there's a game on ABC. It's called Fuzzbugs Graphing. And it's really fun. It does take a minute to sort the bugs. It's not a quick game. So when you press play, there's going to be some different bugs that you get to graph, these little fuzzy guys. You just press the play button. And today they're going to have you graph them by color. So what you do is you take your fuzz bug and you put them in whatever color they go in. And at the end, it'll show you a little graph, and then you get to make your own fuzz bug. You get to design him. So I thought that was really neat. The next job today, you have a mindfulness video. It's called On and Off. And then there's a dance video from Go Noodle called Electric Slide. Then, of course, we have a sight word activity. It's on ABC. We've done it before. It's the sight word bingo. So you just click there and it'll take you to that fun game. We have the next part of our Scratch project, which is to record our voice to tell where our animal lives. And then Epic Books, there's a book about travel, going places. And then last but not least, if you need some extra things to do, because you don't have enough, you can go on Clever and there's books. You can go to Think Central. You can do all that awesome stuff. So let's go ahead and get started on our paperwork for today. Today, our warm-up is number 89, and it says write the word with a capital letter. Do you have the time? 2, add punctuation. I do not know his name. If it's just telling you something, you put a period. If it's asking something, put that question mark. And if it's with lots of feeling, then you put an exclamation mark. Number 3, circle the verb. Min said yes. So verb is an action. So you have to think who's doing something in the sentence. Min's doing something. What is he doing? And then, so you're going to circle that word. What is he doing? And last part, number 4, fill in that missing letter for leaf. Now this one's kind of tricky because the letter that's missing does not make that sound. So you'll have to think. In class, we do the E sound. How do we do that sound? Let's go ahead and look at the journal for today. Our journal today is what place would you like to visit? So I said, I think the best place to visit are national parks like Yellowstone. They are beautiful. And I drew a quick picture of Yellowstone. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, hopefully one day you can get to go. I kind of tried to draw this. There's all kinds of cool things at Yellowstone, but there's lots of national parks. There's national parks right by us even that you can go visit. So hopefully one day you can go visit. There's lots of animals at those places and usually waterfalls or something, geysers, something really cool that you can see at those places. The next job today is our Wonders worksheet. And today is real easy. We're only going to do one side of our page and we're going to save the next page for tomorrow. So we're doing page 271 and we're completing some magic E words. So the first word is cute. You're just going to trace that U and that magic E. The next word is going to be cube. So you're going to fill in your U and your magic E. The next word, we don't see this word too much. It's Duke, which is like a member of a royal family. So Duke, we need our U and our magic E. And last, she's singing a tune. So we're going to put our U and our magic E. Very easy today. Our last job of the day is math. And math can be a little tricky lately because we don't have the things from class. So today we're doing this math page. It's 12.4, looks like this. And what I did was I just took the cubes from this interactive game and used them to make my graph. because we don't have cubes from class that we can count out and use right now. So what they showed us right here is that there's 4 orange cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I drew my 4 orange cubes. And then down here, we had to graph them. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4 orange cubes down here in my graph. And then the green cubes, they're giving us 5 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put my 5 green here, and then I put my 5 here. And you can even put your numbers on the side to help you remember how many are in each row. And if I look, I can see there's fewer orange cubes. There's only 4. And then I can see there's more green cubes. I can tell because there's an empty space up here. Let's go ahead and go to the next page. And I'm going to turn this right here so we can see the cubes. On this page, they gave us cubes. So I'm using these cubes to help me make my graph again. And if you look, the first one, they gave us, it looks red on my paper, but they gave us orange in the game. That's okay. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put my 4 orange red cubes there, and then I drew them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the very bottom, it's asking me how many red cubes were there. There's 4. And then I went back to this side. We were supposed to sort out cubes. This is supposed to be a sorting mat for class. We don't have them to sort, so I just draw them. There's 3 blue ones. 1, 2, 3. So then I put my 3 blue cubes. 1, 2, 3. And then I wrote my number 3. And of course, I'll put pictures of this up so you guys can see and copy it. I'm going to go to the next part to show you for the next graph. They're giving us some shapes for this one. They're giving us circles and triangles. So I just took their circles and triangles and put them into my graph. So there's 1 circle, and then there's 4 triangles. And then I put them into the graph. So 1 circle there and 4 triangles there. And then last but not least, I put my 1 for my 1 circle and 4 for my 4 triangles. And you can see there are more triangles than circles. And I can tell by all the empty space up here between the graph. And last page is really neat today. You get to make your own graph. So you're going to pick your 2 favorite colors, and you're going to pick 1 color for this cube and 1 color for this cube. And you can fill in as many as you want in your graph. Maybe you only want, I would pick my favorite 2 colors. I think I would do red and purple. So if I did red, I'd put 4 red, and then for my purple, I put 3. And then down here, I have to decide this one, maybe I'll make this one my red one, and this one my purple one, and then I just have to put my numbers. So super easy. You get to pick and decide for this last page. That is our last paper job of the day. I hope everything is going wonderful for you, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great one. Bye.